Today we're going to be talking about cash to close, understanding what you need to do in assessing a deal to know what cash you're going to bring there to get to the closing table. This is a deal breakdown of a 5-unit apartment building here in Kansas City. Hi, my name is Brandton Shriner, and this is a home for emerging real estate investors to gain insight and momentum in their entrepreneurship journey. I own 48 units of apartment buildings totaling around $3 million. Also am the 100% owner of a wholesale company that we are doing about 5 to 10 deals a month currently called Investor Plus. I have nothing to sell you, and eventually I will have a course or a mentorship program, but currently I am running my businesses, so I don't have time for that, but will in the future. I created this channel solely for people on their real estate journey to create legacy wealth and financial freedom. What up? What up? Okay, let's do it. I originally had an international buyer lined up, but this is why you have multiple exit strategies. But this is a deal breakdown, exactly what I had to purchase for, earnest money down, all that kind of good stuff. So the purchase price for this 5-unit apartment building is $385,000. The $6,000 earnest money deposit, which earnest money is good faith money towards the transaction that is allocated towards the cash to close, which we're going to talk about, cash to close. So I put $6,000 down towards the purchase of this property. The bridge loan lender, I'm getting a 12-month bridge loan. They need 10% down. Let's say, purchase price is $385,000. That means I need to bring 10%, which is $38,500 to close, plus some closing costs, right? So total cash, $38,500. So here's the deal. The seller wouldn't give me an extension when the international buyer backed out. So I'm like, oh shoot, this is hard. This is hard. This is at risk. This is EMD's at risk, which sucks. So what did I do? I said, hey, listen, why don't we reduce the purchase price, the new purchase price, okay? We bring it down to $379,000. So I'm really still purchasing it for the $385,000. Essentially, I'm just reducing it on the new contract, okay? Now that's great, that's awesome. I'm still purchasing it for the same price. However, I now need to put more earnest money down. So that's still, once again, at risk. But I love this deal so much. It's such a bulletproof deal. I'm so excited about it. But I gotta put $10,000 earnest money down, okay? Another $10,000. So that's, it is what it is. The bridge loan lender is gonna, bring $369,000 towards a purchase. They want 10% down, and that 10% down is based on this new purchase price, okay? So $337,900 to close. However, that original cash I put down, that I'm bringing to the deal, is still in the deal. That $6,000 is gone towards the seller, okay? So really, on the new deal, even though I'm purchasing it for the same, I'm bringing more cash. I'm still bringing more cash, which is not always the best scenario here. Still purchasing for the same, I'm still gonna get the deal, which, hey, I'm happy about that. There's depreciation, right? There's depreciation, there's tax benefits, there's all sorts of amazing things. But I just want you guys to understand that in this situation, yes, I'm purchasing it for the same, but I'm bringing more cash to close, but I'm still getting the deal. And eventually, when I refinance out, I'll get all my cash back, baby, which is the burst strategy, another video. So this is a really quick synopsis, a very oversimplified view of cash to close, and a little bit of a deal breakdown. It's something really right now I'm going through. And even the cash to close, I can get private money to bring that to the deal to where I don't have to bring any cash to close. So another plenty of talking points there, but thanks guys so much for watching. Once again, this channel is created for a real estate momentum in your journey so that you can have financial freedom, create legacy wealth, and do everything that you want to accomplish on this earth. So thanks guys for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe and leave a comment below on future things you want me to share about or future videos you want me to shoot. Peace.